Well, the wrecked Freightliner's all back together, running. Had to do some extra stuff he wanted. Did brakes, drag link, air filter housing that was broken, service. So it's outside the shop, and we're gonna drive it back to the body shop now so we can get the hood fixed and the bumper installed and get something back to the customer. So here we go. Let's take you guys along for the ride on this one. Truck's dirty, don't worry about that shit. As I was saying, I'm just glad to be done with this truck. I don't know why the video cut out. I had the phone sitting on the dash. Usually I don't film while driving, but we're halfway to the body shop. All the stuff the truck's been through, it actually runs pretty good. And it does have, I think, 760,000 on it, so. Well, there we go, folks. Thanks for riding along with me on this one. I'm gonna take these keys on in and off to the castle to go work on the trailer. Got Stan picking me up right now, so thanks for watching, guys.